Right, so we're here at Custom Kraft in North Bayswater.
And we're here checking out the bike show today.
Yep, it's the Big Red Bike Show here, which is being run by Custom Kraft, and Jesus, there's some bikes here. We'll take you around in a second, but Custom Kraft is an independent dealer who started off, he was selling, you've got pipes, you've got fishtails, factory 47 bars, indicator lenses, all very cool stuff. A lot of it's for the VICLA market, but a lot of it can go on any bike. I've personally got the indicator lenses on my Fat Boy, and they look absolutely trick. So let's head off into the show itself and show you the Big Red Bike Show.
Very cool.
I'm here with David. Dave, this isn't the first time we've had a chat, mate.
No, it's about the same time last year too with Taco.
Yeah,
the orange one.
With Taco. Now, what happened to that?
Time for a change, mate.
What,
Build a new bike every year for the national sales. Time for a change.
Well, everyone's got to have a new bike every year. Sure. About the new one, mate.
Yeah, 2003 Road Glide, 100th anniversary, I think it's called.
Yeah.
Yeah, did this one up for the nationals just passed. Didn't have enough time to do my standard candy paint jobs. So I just opted for a quick black paint job with some copper leafing for highlights.
Yeah.
And
that seat. What's the go with the seat?
Same guy again.
Yeah.
Jocko, out in Lansfield.
That's an incredible seat, mate.
Yeah.
And so there's a lot of work gone into that.
Basically identical to Taco's.
I was going to say, it looks very similar to the last one you had.
Yeah.
I was actually wondering whether you'd swapped it over.
No,
so that's a
Road King.
Oh, it's a Road King. I thought you said Road Glide. I was going to say, shit, there's been a lot of work. There's been a lot of work if it was a Road Glide. Jesus, you've thrown a lot of shit out. But mate, she's a pretty looking unit.
Yeah, she's come up good for like I said, it's not quite me with the standard paint job, but I've just ordered a pound of the Monster Glitter, and I'll candy-rise this one.
Everybody needs a pound of Monster Glitter. Mate, once again, I can't wait to see it totally finished, but even now it's looking tremendous.
Thank you.
So thanks for showing us, mate.
No worries,
appreciate
pleasure.
it. Cheers. things they've got here,
Hey, Jan.
over here, is you can come here and you can check out the size of your bars. Charlie.
Oh, yeah, mate.
Hey, Charlie's here. How are you, mate?
Oh, fantastic, man. Thanks for rocking in.
I know, love it, mate, love it.
Yeah.
Nice to see something happening on this side of town for a bloody change, mate. I'm
Isn't it?
normally getting dragged over the other side.
Oh, that's fantastic.
I was just saying, mate, it might be a simple setup, but the fact that someone can come here, have a look at a set of factory 47s and feel that they're the right height for them and that, they've only got to bring the sides from the floor to their head stem.
Yeah.
You set that up, put the bars on, and you'll know what size bars you need. That makes a massive difference, you know, because a lot of people don't know if they want 12s, 14s, 16s, and they might think they want 16s.
Yeah.
And then they put their hands on and go, oh great, all the blood's dripping out of my arms.
That's true, that's true. Mate. That's why we set it up. We want happy customers.
Yeah.
You know, I know what it's like. You buy something, and if it's the wrong thing, or you spend all the time money bolting it on, but it's the wrong thing.
Yeah, especially if you wire them first, mate. That would be a pain in the ass, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
What's the go with the swing arms?
These are new swing arms we're doing on the lay frames. You saw some of the lay frame bikes out there.
Yeah.
Well, that's these swing arms, and they're getting chopped and shut. You know, some work being done on that one. It's already done, and they're good to go on the bikes.
Mate, that's awesome.
They give you that lay frame, so you lay it and drop the bike down on the frame yourself.
And it actually sits on the frame when it drops down on the air shocks. Wow.
Yeah, completely.
Very cool, mate.
Yeah.
Where are you grabbing those? Where are they coming from?
SR Metal Fabrication, Scotty. He's the guy who's got the tequila rise bike.
So they're local?
Yeah, Aussie.
Oh, okay. Well,
Aussie, mate.
Always like promoting the Aussie stuff, mate.
Well,
fantastic. Well, mate, you've got a good bloody turnout today.
It's been amazing, eh?
Hey, it's ripper.
Yeah,
It's ripper.
you come to the first one, you've been to this one, mate. See the change.
I don't want to miss them, mate. Because there's always quality bikes turn up here.
Yeah.
You know, and that's the important thing is if we can keep quality bikes coming into these sort of things, then you'll drag the people in. The hardest thing is dragging the punters in to have a look.
Yeah.
Because the more people that see it, the more people want to get into it, I reckon.
That's true too.
You
Well,
know?
that's why we try and push the art side of it all. You see, bikes out there that just artworks.
Oh mate, they are. Some blokes have got way much more money than me, that's for sure. Some of the engraving on those bikes, especially on the VICLAs, is insane.
Yeah.
So,
There's Ash's bike out there from ViCLA Engraving is a sponsor today.
Yeah.
That was a brown bike.
I love that bike.
Yeah.
The brown one is. I reckon that the thing with that one is, and I'll put it up, is it's so subtle. It's not just so outrageous. It's just neat and beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mate, fantastic. So how's Custom Kraft going, mate?
Good. We just
Maintenance?
opened up a new service department, so we're doing maintenance.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and we're doing parts fitment because apart from selling the parts, what was happening is people getting them fitted and they're running into trouble. Yeah. And I hate that, man.
Yeah.
So we've got the service department, we've got a 15-year techie. So he knows his shit back to front.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, and so anyone needs bars put on, we can do it. You need a tune, we can do it. You need your little book service, we can do that too.
Awesome, mate. Well, that's up the game a little bit, hasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Ripper. Nice to see another independent on this side of town, mate.
Yeah.
We love supporting the independents.
Thank you very much.
Mate, thank you very much.
All right.
Mate, she's a ripper show.
So guitar, now I'm changing all the strings, growing on my hair and I'm selling everything. It won't be long till I'm back out on the road. It won't be long. Oh yeah, you'll feel me tonight, girl, because tomorrow I'll be gone. I got an aching in my soul and a burning in my heart. I got a road I got to travel down, and it's high time that I start. It won't be long till you won't see me anymore. It won't be long. That's why I told you that everybody knows. Everybody listen up now, it won't be long. You who diagnose diseases but don't offer any cure, and you who laugh at on around, I start to find traders, it won't be long.